Hello all and welcome back to All Things Airy On. Today we are going to be doing a review on the Bissell Power Edge Steam Mop. You are never gonna deal with mop, water, bucket ever again. Okay guys, so it stands at a whopping 4 feet. It's got the cord in which you'll need an adapter for unless you've got the 3 prongs on your plugs in your house. This is where you put the water and it just comes off. Snaps off just as easily as that. Now you'll just open this part, put the water in. I like to drop a little bit of essential oil in there, and that's it. Gonna press the button and get going. It also comes with this disposable microfiber piece for you to mop with. So let's go. I really like floors, guys. And so they get dirty pretty quickly, pretty easily. But having a mop, dealing with the bucket, the water, the cleaner, all this stuff is a headache. This is more of a natural way to clean your floors. You're really just using the power of the steam, and it gets really hot to clean your floors. Okay, we're getting ready to plug her in. It usually only takes about 15 seconds for it to heat up, but you'll know when it's ready when that light stops flashing. Don't hate on my grandmama's slippers. Alright, so you guys see all these really tough spots on the floor. I didn't do any pre-cleaning, but I think that I am going to just spray a little bit of kitchen cleaner on them just to make this go a little smoother. With anything, if you pre-spray or prep, of course the job is going to be a little easier. And I just like to hold that steam button down right here. So as you can see, those stains are breaking up. But I just always like to go into a little swivel mode like this to make sure that that microfiber pad is spread as much as possible. So this is it, guys.
Moments later.
All done. All right, this is what the after is like. That's a clean floor, y'all. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. And it'll be dry in like 5 minutes. So no more waiting on a soggy floor to dry. I absolutely love this mop. And I can't forget to mention, it comes with these 2 attachments. I don't know where the other one is, but this one is like for the tub. It comes with another circular one that's just like this. But you can use this for cleaning baseboards, cleaning your tub, whatever hard, like grimy things that you need a little extra steam power on, you can use it for that as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. This is gonna make your life so much easier. Having a steam mop, like keeping those floors clean with the least amount of effort. So be sure to like, subscribe, share. Let me know what you want me to review next. Let me see what type of information you're looking forward to. Orion wants to say hi.
Yeah.
So that's all I have for you today. Bye for now.